Hey guys, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to put Wix website under construction. So basically what website under construction page is, it is a page that tells people when they are um, maybe on the website. Meanwhile, it is under some development, construction, or in a process of maintenance and stuff like that, and they are just trying to access the website. So we want to display a page where people get to know that the website is currently under construction. So to do that, we have pretty simple steps in here to basically it is like adding a coming soon page. So click on header and click on show and hide icon next to the side menu. You can see in here this little check icon, then hover over to add at the top of the ADI and click on selection page, selection to page, then click text to left and select a text section to add your site. Click the title subtitle fields on the left and type your message. Now the point to be noted here is that if necessary, click the show and hide icon next to the relevant text to make it visible. So yeah, now that is the pretty simple process. And if you want to simply give your section a whole new look, you can customize your section design. So yeah, that is the pretty simple process on how you can add or put Wix website under construction page. And if you didn't found this video helpful, you can leave us a comment down below. We will help you. And yeah, so for those who found the story helpful, you can simply support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing with your friends. And thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you in the next couple of videos.